Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with your local flow prodigy. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Brendan Perez, and feel free to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. Now, this video has been a long time coming for both you guys and me. I've been wanting to make this video for like 2 or 3 years now, and I promise towards the end of the video, I'll be letting you guys know why it's taken me so long to put this video out. But until then, I'm real excited about this. Let's get right into the video. Today, we're going to be going over the kickflip. So if you don't know what this trick is, the kickflip is when you ollie your board straight up in the air, and halfway into your ollie, your front foot will either flick or kick off the side of the board, making it flip 360 degrees, landing back on the top grip side of your board. All right, now it's time for the foot positioning. We're going to take that first step and go ahead and hop on our board. Now for our back foot, it's going to be pretty standard. Treat it like a normal ollie and stand all the way on the tail of our board. Sometimes I angle my heel inwards, just depends on how you feel. Now for the front foot, I've seen some guys, like myself, angle their front foot to match the nose of the board. I've seen other guys take the front foot and keep it completely straight like this. All right, now next step is going to be figuring out how far off the board should you hang your front foot. I've seen some people like this who hang 90% of their foot off. I've seen other people like this who hang half their foot off. And then because it gives me more stability, there's also people like me like this who only hang part of their heel off. Now it's going to be up to you guys to figure out what works best for you and what feels most comfortable. Now next step up is going to be figuring out what works better for you in terms of flicking the board around. Either flicking your foot out to the side, just like in skateboarding, or kicking your foot directly straight down, just how I do in my examples for this video. Now, if you feel like flicking your foot off to the side, just like in skateboarding, is going to be easier, you're essentially just going to squat down, and as you're popping up, you're going to roll your ankle on its side. You're going to then drag your toes across the board, and right when your toes are about to hit the rails on the side of your board, you're going to fully flick your ankle outwards to the side, almost like you're flexing it. But if you find yourselves to be like me and you find that kicking the board straight down is a lot easier, you're going to go ahead and perform a normal ollie. And when you're at your peak height, when you are at your highest in your ollie, just like right here, you're going to take your front foot, slide it directly to the rail, and you're going to kick straight down. So when in doubt, squat, pop, and flick, or in this case, squat, pop, and kick. Now, before I end the video off for today, I do feel like I do need to give a brief explanation for why it's taken so long for me to put this video out, because I've been wanting to do this video for 2 to 3 years, and you guys have been asking me to do this video for just about that long too. So the deal is that the kickflip itself is not a hard trick to do, right? You do it enough times, eventually you're gonna land one. So it's not a hard trick to do, but it is a really hard trick to get consistent. And so the few times that I have landed this trick in the past, it's not because I knew what I was doing. It would be just pure luck. Like I would just pop the board up and flick, and whatever happens, that's what happened. And if I happen to land it, I'll take my luck. And so I felt / still feel that it would have made no sense for me to upload / post a tutorial video for you guys for a trick that I could barely do myself. It was really important to me that I had the mental and physical knowledge to be able to confidently perform this trick so that I can pass it on and teach it to others like you guys. And now I am. And with that being said, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and click on that notification bell so that you guys will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys on the next one.